Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to insert SIM card and memory card into Xiaomi Redmi 10. So let's do it. So first you need to look inside your box for the pin, and here is the pin. Now just go to your phone and in the left part of your phone is the slot for the SIM card and the memory card, and to remove it just use the pin from the box and put it here like this and push it. Now remove the pin and remove the slot. And here you can put two SIM cards, two nano SIM cards, and one memory SD card. And this is the correct position. And now just insert it into your phone. And push it. And that's all. Now you can power on your phone. And here are my two SIM cards. Now to remove it, it is very easy. Just power off your phone, pick up the pin, put it into the hole and push it. Now remove the slot and put it back. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.